Good call out. Oh, yeah. TGL looking fine. Fine as wine.
Hot stock pick TGL is climbing to the upside.
Thank you, TGL. Yeah, as long as we stay above $2, I like TGL. You hear me?
Just came off a halt.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yep. Oh, it's suspended right now.
That's the third halt for TGL.
Oh, nice. 948.58. So 949 she'll be a runner. So it must have just halted because you know I was getting ready to hammer that, Dawn. Woo!
Hammer that beast.
TGL will unhalt and right now. TGL live now. TGL live now. Remember, it's already had 3 halts. Be careful, okay? Boom, I'm in it. I've got my stop loss set just below previous area. Looking for a pop. If it does pop, I'll scoop my stop up. That stop is there for a reason. If it looks like it just halted to the downside, am I right? It did. It just halted to the downside. Look at that stop. Beautifully right there to save my buttocks. Do you guys see it? Woo! Yeah, you do. Look at this thing. Yikes. All right, let's review this trade. Now, obviously I did market order. Why, when, and why'd you do that, coach, and what did it look like? I did it because I saw this drive up to the upside and it stayed up here. So I hammered a market buy. Unfortunately, I got, the worst fill literally you could get up here at the ceiling, but I had already had my stop loss in place. You can see it right here. So what I was doing is waiting for it to break above what I paid, scoop my stop loss up, and then I'll be protected. But the beauty is, because I did it at the time of entry, didn't I just save my buttocks? Yes,
sir.
Yep. So when this unhalts, I'm going to take an L, but I don't care. That's the cost of doing business with the trade, right? High risk, high reward. I got my stop in. Now, for those of you that are newer, don't touch this stop. If I tried to hand move the stop during a halt, it will break and I am doomed. Leave it alone. Let it do its job now. And don't forget, a stop loss is not going to sell at the price you want. It is an action to sell the stocks once it triggers the stop loss. So, I might not get out till $2.99, we don't know. All it's going to do is create the order to sell if it hits $2.10. That's my stop. And then at or below $2.10, it's just going to start to sell, right? That's how it's going to work. So if this sells at $2, I'll take a $1,500 L. That's okay. That's the cost of doing business. That's one trade right there.